Have you ever felt lost, wandering through life's uncertainties? Imagine a guide who not only shows the way, but walks with you every step. Picture green pastures of peace and still waters of refreshment, even in life's chaos. What if even the darkest valleys held no fear because you were never alone? This is the promise of the Lord, our shepherd, who leads, restores, and comforts. Let's read from Psalm 23, 1 through 4. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Life is often filled with moments where we feel unsure, overwhelmed, or burdened by fear. Psalm 23 reminds us that the Lord is our shepherd, caring for us tenderly and providing for our every need. The imagery of green pastures and still waters speaks to the peace and rest found in His presence. When we feel drained or lost, God restores our souls and leads us in righteousness for His glory. Even in the darkest moments, the valleys of the shadow of death, we are never abandoned. His rod and staff, symbols of protection and guidance, offer us comfort and security. This passage teaches us to trust God as a shepherd who knows our needs better than we do. It encourages us to surrender our worries and walk confidently under His care. To apply this, take time to rest in God's presence, allowing Him to refresh your soul through prayer and His Word. When facing challenges, remember that He walks with you, protecting and guiding you every step of the way. Trust Him to lead you to paths of peace, even in circumstances that feel chaotic. As you follow Him, you'll discover the unshakable comfort of being in the care of the Good Shepherd. Let's come to the Lord together in prayer. Lord, you are my shepherd, and I am like a lamb that depends on your care. When my soul feels weary, you lead me to green pastures, soothing my heart like Jesus calming the storm. Your still waters wash over me, refreshing my spirit as streams in the desert. You restore me when I feel broken, just as you restored sight to the blind and life to the lifeless. Even in the darkest valleys, where shadows feel heavy and fear looms, I know you walk beside me. Your presence is my shield, like a shepherd's rod defending his flock from danger. Your guidance is gentle, yet firm, like a staff drawing me back when I stray. I trust you to lead me on paths of righteousness, not for my sake, but for your glorious name. Let me follow you as faithfully as Peter stepping out of the boat, keeping my eyes fixed on you. Thank you for being my constant refuge, my comfort, and the shepherd who never abandons his sheep. Amen.